Dear students, now let us continue with change of voice. Today we'll be doing those sentences that have two objects. Now the very first sentence, they promised us a big reward. Now they is the subject here and it has two objects, us and a big reward. So there are two objects here. Now which object is to be brought to the beginning of the sentence? So just see, uh, either of the two objects can be made the subject. Us a big reward. So these are the two objects. ਹੁਣ ਕਿਹੜਾ ऑब्जेक्ट ਅੱਗੇ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆਣਾ ਹੈ? ਦੋਨਾਂ ਚੋਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਲਿਆ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ. ਫॉर एग्जांपल we may write we were promised a big reward by them, ਜਾਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਇਹ ਵੀ ਕਹਿ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ a big reward was promised to us by them. So both can be, either of the two can be turned into the subject, but usually this one, the indirect object, the object that comes immediately after the verb, is made the subject. Okay, so ਇਹਨੂੰ ਹੁਣ ਦੇਖੋ ਕਿ ਦੋ objects ਹੈ. ਇੱਕ ਤਾਂ ਦੇ ਪ੍ਰੋਮਿਸਡ ਅਸ ਅ ਬਿਗ ਰਿਵਾਰਡ. ਸੋ ਇਹਦੀ ਡਾਇਰੈਕਟ ਆਬਜੈਕਟ ਕੀ ਹੈਗਾ? ਜਿਹੜੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਪ੍ਰੋਮਿਸ ਹੋਈ ਦੈਟ ਇਜ਼ ਦ ਡਾਇਰੈਕਟ ਆਬਜੈਕਟ. ਅ ਬਿਗ ਰਿਵਾਰਡ ਇਜ਼ ਦ ਡਾਇਰੈਕਟ ਆਬਜੈਕਟ. ਕਿਹਨੂੰ ਪ੍ਰੋਮਿਸ ਹੋਈ? ਦੈਟ ਇਜ਼ ਦ ਇਨਡਾਇਰੈਕਟ ਆਬਜੈਕਟ. ਸੋ ਵਿਚ ਆਬਜੈਕਟ ਇਜ਼ ਟੂ ਬੀ ਬ੍ਰੌਟ ਟੂ ਦ ਬਿਗਨਿੰਗ ਆਫ ਦ ਸੈਂਟੈਂਸ. ਤਾਂ ਇਹ ਦੇਖੋ ਕਿ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਆਏਗਾ ਵਰਬ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ, that should be turned into the subject. So देखो, they promised us a big reward. So इन्हों देखो हुन we were, so इन्हों इतना करना है तुसी, we were promised. So us नु अगे ले आओ, ठीक है. us ता फिर की बन जाएगा we were promised a big reward by them. So solve it like this, ठीक है. देखो, सो की प्रॉमिस होया सी, वो डायरेक्ट है ना ऑब्जेक्ट. किनू प्रॉमिस होया सी? दैट इज द इनडायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट. सो इनडायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट शुड बी ब्रॉट टू द बिगनिंग ऑफ द सेंटेंस. इट शुड बी टर्नड इनटू द सब्जेक्ट. सो इनू देखो और समझने की कोशिश करो. इसी तरह नेक्स्ट देखो, मिस सुनीता टॉट अस इंग्लिश एट स्कूल. नाउ विच इज़ द, first of all, this is the subject here and there are two objects, us they English, ठीक है. Now which is the direct object here? English is the direct object here and us is the indirect object here. So ਆਪਾਂ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਅੱਗੇ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆਣਾ ਹੈਗਾ? indirect object, ठीक है. फिर us ਦਾ ਕੀ ਬਣ ਜਾਏਗਾ? we ਬਣ ਜਾਏਗਾ. So ਦੇਖੋ ਇਹਨੂੰ, we were taught English by Miss Sunita. So we were taught English at school, this I missed, at school by Miss Sunita. Now we come to the next sentence. They gave my little sister a lovely doll. Now this is the subject and it has again two objects. ਕਿਹੜੇ ਕਿਹੜੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ? ਇੱਕ ਤਾਂ my little sister is the object, a lovely doll is again an object, and which is the direct object? ਜਿਹੜਾ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਸੀ ਉਹਨੂੰ, a lovely doll is the direct object and my little sister is the indirect object. So indirect object ਨੂੰ ਤੁਸੀਂ subject ਵਿੱਚ ਬਦਲੋਗੇ, ਇਹਨੂੰ ਅੱਗੇ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆਉਂਗੇ. ਦੇਖੋ, my little sister was given a lovely doll by them. My little sister was given a lovely doll by them. My little sister was given a lovely doll by them. Now have a look at the next sentence. She will tell you another interesting story. Now this is the subject and again it has two objects, you te another interesting story. So ਇੱਥੇ ਹੁਣ direct object ਕਿਹੜਾ ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਉਹਨੇ ਚੀਜ਼ ਸੁਣਾਈ another interesting story is the direct object ਤੇ you is the indirect object. क्लियर सुन ਆਪਾਂ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਅੱਗੇ ਜਾਣਾ ਇਨਡਾਇਰੈਕਟ ਆਬਜੈਕਟ ਮਤਲਬ ਉਹ ਵਾਲਾ ਆਬਜੈਕਟ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਿ ਇੱਕਦਮ ਵਰਬ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਆਏਗਾ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਅੱਗੇ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਜਾਣਾ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਸੋ ਦੇਖੋ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਹੁਣ ਯੂ ਵਿਲ ਬੀ ਟੋਲਡ another interesting story by them. You will be told another interesting story by them. Clear? देखो इन्हों हुन sentence number 4 she will tell you another interesting story. So दो objects सीगे केड़े you ते another interesting story. So उन्हों उद्दा भी किता जा सकता है. For example तुसी इद्दां भी कर सकते हो another interesting story was will be told to you by her. Sorry ਇੱਥੇ ਕੀ ਆਣਾ ਸੀਗਾ by her. Yes, so you can do it like that also. Okay, another interesting story now, but it will be better to take the indirect object to the beginning of the sentence. It will be better to make that into the subject of the sentence. Now let us start with the next. She suggested to me another solution. Clear? Now which are the objects here? First of all, which is the subject here? She, me object है ते दूजा object किहड़ा हैगा another solution. Clear? हुन आपां किहड़ा लेके जाना अगे me मतलब जिहड़ा verb दे सब तो नेड़े होएगा जिहड़े verb तो एकदम बाद आएगा उन्होंने आपां अगे लेके जावांगे. She suggested to me another solution. I was suggested another solution by her. I was suggested another solution by her. Clear? I was suggested another solution by her. Okay, you can do it like that also. Another solution was suggested to me by her. Okay, but it will be better if you do it like this कि जिहड़ा एकदम verb तो बाद जिहड़ा आ रहा है object उन्होंने अगे लेके जाना है. Next देखो next is the teacher gave me a book. Now the teacher is the subject, me is the object ते दूजा object जिहड़ा है a book. Clear? So a book is the direct object, me is the indirect object. देखो the teacher gave me a book. The teacher is the subject, me is the indirect object, a book is the direct object. So की आएगा I was given a book by the teacher. I was given a book by the teacher. Clear? देखो the teacher gave me a book. I was given a book by the teacher. Next sentence, they served us many dishes at the party. Clear? So they is the subject, us एक object, many dishes दूसरा object. ਹੁਣ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਜਾਣਾ ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਿ verb ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੈ ਬਿਲਕੁਲ us ਜਦੋਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਅੱਗੇ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਜਾਵਾਂਗੇ it will turn into we. देखो we were served many dishes, we were served many dishes at the party by them. Okay, we were served many dishes at the party by them. Next देखो, they have already offered me a job at the bank. Now subject केड़ा they, me एक हैगा, a job दूसरा ऑब्जेक्ट है. So it has two objects. They have already offered me a job at the bank. ਹੁਣ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਜਾਣਾ ਹੈ, ਇਨਡਾਇਰੈਕਟ ऑब्जेक्ट, और इनडायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट ਕਿਹੜਾ me. ਜਦੋਂ ਹੁਣ ਆਪਾਂ ਅੱਗੇ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਜਾਣਾ, it will turn into I have already been offered a job at the bank by them. I have already been offered. So they have already offered me a job at the bank. इधर क्या होएगा? I have already been offered a job at the bank by them. I have already been offered a job at the bank by them. Next sentence. They will ask us several questions at the interview. Now, subject, object, दो ऑब्जेक्ट्स. क्लियर. सो ਹੁਣ ਇੱਥੇ ਕੀ ਹੋਏਗਾ? सो ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਜਾਣਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਿ ਇਮੀਡੀਏਟਲੀ ਵਰਬ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਆ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ? ਦੇ ਵਿਲ ਆਸਕ ਅਸ ਸੈਵਰਲ ਕੁਐਸਚਨਸ ਐਟ ਦ ਇੰਟਰਵਿਊ. ਵੀ ਸ਼ੈਲ ਬੀ ਆਸਕਡ several questions at the interview by them. We shall be asked several questions at the interview by them, or you may write we shall be asked several questions by them at the interview, even that is correct. So just have a look. We shall be asked several questions at the interview by them. They will allow each boy a second plate of ice cream. So again, subject, each boy, indirect object, second plate of ice cream, direct object. So देखो, each boy will be allowed a second plate of ice cream by them. Each boy will be allowed a second plate of ice cream. So this is double L only. Each boy will be allowed a second plate of ice cream by them. Clear? So second plate of ice cream ਇੱਥੇ ਲੈ ਗਏ ਤੇ each boy ਨੂੰ ਅੱਗੇ ਲੈ ਗਏ. Next देखो, you have written him a letter. Now subject, again it has two objects, him te a letter. So you have written him a letter. क्या आएगा? He has been written a letter by you. He has been written a letter by you. Next देखो, he gave me 20 rupees. He is the subject, me is the indirect object, 20 rupees is the direct object. So me ਨੂੰ ਅੱਗੇ ਲੈ ਜਾਓਗੇ. देखो, I was given 20 rupees by him. I was given 20 rupees by him. So I hope these sentences are clear and just revise them thoroughly. And now I make an end here.